Hi students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of indefinite integration topic by parts. Look at this question. Integral x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. Models are important here. So for this I am taking substitution. Let sin inverse x equal to t. Sin inverse x derivative 1 by root 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. So dx equal to, or we can write directly dt in the place of this. So if you take sin inverse x equal to t, this will become, given integral becomes sin inverse x upon root 1 minus x square dx equal to integral x. X means what will you get here? If sin inverse x equal to t, then x equal to sin t, right? In the place of x I will write sin t. This is t. So t sin t. In the place of dx by root 1 minus x square we can write dt. So again we have got by parts here. So let me take f of t equal to t, g of t equal to sin t. Okay, algebra first, trigonometry next. So f dash t means 1. Integral g of t dt means sin t integration is minus cos t plus c. So if you write that first function into integration of second function minus integral of first function derivative 1. So again integration of second function whole dt. So minus t cos t plus cos t integration is sin t plus c minus, what is t here? In the place of t put sin inverse x. So cos of sin inverse x plus sin t means we have x plus c. So so in the place of that, what will you get now? So here x I am writing first sin inverse x into cos theta can be written as square root of 1 minus sin square theta, right? So if you write that square root of 1 minus sin square theta means sin inverse x will come. So x square plus. So therefore integral x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx equal to x minus sin inverse x into root 1 minus x square plus c. That is the solution. Okay. Similarly, second question also we can see same model, but in the place of sin inverse x we have tan inverse x. Same method we will follow. So which one we should take now? Assumption. Let tan inverse x equal to t. Implies x equal to what will you get? Tan t. So tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. Right? So in the place of dx I can write 1 plus x square dt. Okay. So this will be now given integral becomes, now given integral x tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx equal to integral x means we have tan t, tan inverse x is t upon 1 plus x means tan t, that means 1 plus tan square t whole to the power 3 by 2 dx means we will have 1 plus x square, otherwise we can write here only x square you write here. Here I will write x square. In the place of dx I will write 1 plus x square dt. Okay. Now 1 can be cancelled here. Okay. Then what is remaining here? T tan t by, if you cancel 1 from here, then root of 1 plus x square will remain. Right? Hope it is clear. 3 by 2 means 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 is cancelled there. So 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 means under root. So t tan t by root 1 plus x means tan square t, that is secant t dt. Right? Integral t times tan t means sin t by cos t, 1 by cos t, that is cos t dt. Cos gets cancelled, integral t sin t dt. Again by parts we got here. So first function into integral of second function minus cos t minus integral minus cos t dt plus c. So minus t cos t plus cos t integration is sin t plus c. So in the place of t we can write tan inverse x, right? Minus tan inverse x cos of tan inverse x plus sin of tan inverse x plus c. So we can write like that. Therefore, integral x tan inverse x by 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx equal to minus tan inverse x cos of tan inverse x plus sin of tan inverse x plus c. Okay? That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.